Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, Episode 8-5. In the last episode, we read and translated through Sanguine Inficitur. In this one, we will cover from post through vulnerata est. But first, the review. But Perseus, when he noticed these events, drew his sword, and after putting on his winged sandals, he was raised into the air. Then, from above, upon the monster, he suddenly made an attack, and with his own sword he deeply wounded its neck. The monster, when it felt the wound, let out a terrible roar, and without delay plunged its entire body into the water. Perseus, while he flits around the shore, was waiting for its return. The sea, meanwhile, however, was stained on all sides, undeque, with blood. Post breve tempus bellua rursus caput sustulit, mox tamen a Perseo ictu graviore vulnerata est. After a short time. Breve and tempus are both neuter singular and accusative. Tempus is a third declension noun, as the object of the preposition post. After a short time, bellua, the creature. This is a synonym with monstrum, and with bestia, and perhaps animal. The creature, the animal, again, rursus, raised its head, caput sustulit. Caput is neuter singular and accusative. It's a third declension noun, caput capitis, and sustulit is from pharaoh. The principal parts are pharaoh, faire, it's an irregular, sustuli, and sublatus. So after it raised its head, mox tamen, soon, nevertheless, a Perseo, ictu graviore vulnerata est. Soon, however, it was wounded. Why is vulnerata, this participle, why is it feminine? Because it's referring to bellua, which is feminine. So vulnerata est is a third-person singular, perfect, indicative, and passive. It's from the first conjugation verb vulnero, vulnerare, like so. Soon, however, it was wounded, and then we have a number of modifiers here. We have, first of all, a Perseo. Perseo is masculine singular and ablative of agent. We have also ictu graviore. Ictu is ablative from the fourth declension noun, ictus, ictus, like so, and it's modified by the comparative adjective, graviore. As a rule of thumb, all third declension adjectives are I stem. The exception, however, is the comparatives. So were this not a comparative as a third declension adjective, it would have its ablative singular in I, but the comparatives are an exception to this rule. So he was wounded by Perseus, ablative of agent, graviore, or ictu graviore. This is an ablativus instrumenti, an instrumental ablative, and thus no preposition. It was wounded by Perseus by a more severe blow.